Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. If you're in the market for a versatile and powerful vacuum, then this is the one for you. Let's talk about the features that make this vacuum stand out. First off, the integrated airflow control on the handle allows for easy switching between different surfaces, making it suitable for carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. With 960 watts of power, you can trust that this vacuum will deep clean any surface. One of the best things about the Eureka WhirlWind is how lightweight and easy to maneuver it is. Weighing only 8.15 pounds, it can effortlessly glide under furniture and around stairs. The swivel steering and telescoping metal wand make maneuvering a breeze. Say goodbye to maintenance costs with the 2.5L dust container and washable filters. No need for bags or replacements, simply rinse the filters as needed and you're good to go. Plus, the 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool ensures that you always have the right attachment on hand. And let's not forget the convenience of the automatic cord rewind and easy dust cup emptying with just the touch of a button. Ready to take your cleaning game to the next level? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Don't miss out on this game-changing cleaning tool. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.